Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing okay. So a couple of days ago I saw Julie do a nice swipe and I thought, you know what, let's try it again. So I flooded my canvas with black. My paints are all mixed with Owatrol and a little bit of water. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do the same as Julie just by pouring on the stripes. So this is a mix of gold and copper. Then I've got some red. These paints been standing for a little bit, so they might be a little bit thick, and I don't know if I have enough. Let's see how far we can go. Pump up some bubbles. I'm just gonna try and swipe and see what happens. Let's try again with the black. Might use the bigger one for this one. Wow, this is my best swipe ever. Right, I'm just gonna turn it around. Let's see. I'm gonna drizzle it on. Okay, so that's the red. This one I've got enough left. I have just tiniest amounts of the pearl white left. Empty. I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna do exactly the same. Really hopeful that it dries nice, so I'll take you down for a close-up. See the pearl white and the gold, the black. And some black on the sides. Fingers crossed this dries nice. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.